Okay. So we were at memory structure, right?
Correct.
So it will create 10 blocks. Based on it will keep on increase. If you are trying to save some more, if you are trying to add some more memory, it will add more blocks. It's dynamically, it will create more blocks for you based on your inputs.
Mhm.
Correct? Then all it will be interrelated.
Right.
So it will create, it will keep on adding the blocks. Whenever you are adding one more number, it will add another block.
Right.
It's like a train.
Mhm.
So it will keep on adding. It's a memory structure internally. How it will store all this will be organized in one way, and it will give that name. It will point to the name as a marks.
So for each of those blocks, it's gonna create the space 32-bit, right?
Yes, correct.
Okay. Okay.
So that is your based on your data type. If you are using integer, it will use 32. If you are using long, 64. If you are using byte, 8.
Wait.
Something like that. Based on your data type, the memory will be allocated.
Mhm.
You got it right?
Correct.
So this is the some of the maximum, useful data types. There are some other data types that I will explain you later once you go for further.
Okay, sure, definitely.
So this is the you understood char, byte, bit, long, float, double,
Yeah.
blah blah blah.
Okay.
These are the possible data types, and this is an example of method.
Right.
Method, and this whatever you are trying to write here, this is called arguments, and this is return type. So far it's clear, right?
Right. Uh-huh.
Okay, now I'm going to explain. So far we are writing the methods, right? So how to call this one and how to execute this one.
Okay.
So
So in that
here,
case, I have
yes.
to put it in the main method, public static void, which is the main block that
No,
what
I
I.
don't want to put here. I don't want to write this logic. I want to keep my, this is add function, right? So I want to write a separate method only for add. I want
Right.
to write add for 3 numbers. I want to write add for 2 numbers.
Right.
So now I want to execute, I want to give 2 numbers and I want to get the results. So how to call this one? So to call this one, I have to create a call object.
Yeah. I have. Oh yeah. Key object
So how
initialization.
to create an object? So we need to create an object for this class to access this
Whole. Yeah.
method, correct? So
Right.
there is a syntax for object. Anyway, tomorrow I will explain you more what is object and how to create and all. Just I will start today. Tomorrow I will spend more time on this.
Sure.
So
That's fine.
class name, we need to give variable name, right?
Yes.
Sample equal to new and class name, open bracket, close bracket.
Correct.
This is a syntax for object creation. So
Correct.
for object which you can able to create object for classes. So sample is a class, right?
Mm-hmm.
So sample and variable name equal to new is an operator we are using to create an object. It's
Correct.
keyword. After that class, after that open bracket, close bracket. For this we have some other meaning. I will explain you later. For time being, just try to remember. This is a syntax for creating an object.
Correct.
So the object name is sample.
Right.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
now to okay now we have a object sample. Sample dot. What
Add.
you want to call? You want to access? Add,
I
right?
can. Yeah. I can call all of them. It just.
All. Just dot and specify the member. This is one of the member, right? Your class.
Right. Uh-huh.
So and give the inputs. What you want to do? You want to know the sum of 10 and 15. And
Right.
every statement should end with colon.
Right.
So you are trying to call add method and run it. What is the results? Run as Java application. See, hello world. First you are printing hello world, right?
Right.
Hello world is executing. After that, what you are trying to do, you are creating an object, correct?
Correct.
After object, what you are trying to do, you are calling one of the member called add method, correct?
Correct.
So then control will come to here, correct?
Right.
So first you are calculating sum. After that, what you are trying to do?
Printing it out the value. Sum.
You are printing the value. So it is displaying, correct?
Correct.
After that, what you are trying to do here? You are returning the value, correct? So whenever you are trying to return the value, if you want to catch the value,
Oh,
then
hold
you
on.
have,
One simple question. You put the sample, right? Sample
yes.
add, and then I put the 10 and 15, which is 20,
Mhm.
25.
Mhm.
And then I have the integer in a add method, which is g equal x plus y.
Mhm.
And x is 10 and y equal is 15.
Mhm.
And then I'm doing the system out, and
Uh-huh.
then I'm calling that using the concatenation, and
Mhm.
then calling that g, which is variable, and it prints the value,
Correct, yes.
which is 25. And then you put the return. What is exactly at this moment return is doing here?
So here, say for instance, I don't want to display it console. Just I want to return it.
Oh, okay. So now it's holding the value.
Yes, it's holding the value, and I'm catching the value into a variable called sum.
Okay.
Now I want to display from my main method.
Okay, so now I can put the sum, right? That
Now I want to display the value from here. So I'm catching the value and I'm printing the value, correct?
right.
Why? Because it is written in the integer, right? So
Yes.
I'm holding the integer into a different variable.
Okay.
Now let me run it and you will see the sum.
Okay. Now I see the differences. Okay. So instead of you printing it out in the blog, so you're printing it on the
My own method. This is my method, right?
right.
Just as if this is written by somebody else.
Right.
Just you are calling the method
Okay.
in
Got
your
it.
method.
Makes sense.
This is okay, right?
Right. So it's just like whenever the application is running, the method is holding the value,
Correct.
and then
And it will give the value to you. You can display wherever you want, however you want.
okay, got it. I can display it in the method. I can display it in the main block. Okay.
Yes, you can display wherever you need, however you want.
Okay, makes
You want
sense.
to add sum of 10 comma 15. So this is your inputs, right?
Correct.
So you can call this one and it will display sum of 10 comma 15 25.
Mhm.
I will call the same method. I will pass 20 comma 30, correct?
Mhm.
So sum in my case I will say sum of 20 comma 30 and I will get corresponding value.
Correct.
This is clear, right?
Yes.
So tomorrow we will see more on object. So how to create an object and what is the different ways to create an object, all those things. Okay.
All right.
And
Mhm.
tomorrow means tomorrow maybe Mustafa will call day after.
Okay.
Okay.
So
Maybe Mustafa we have maybe one or maybe maximum one class only.
okay, 1 or 2 classes.
Yes, it's over almost only one class.
So Manohar, just want to let you know, this week I also have to go back to New York because
Fine, no problem. So just let me know when you will be coming back.
Yeah, sure, definitely. I will let you know. I'll try to catch
One
you
day
up.
before, yeah, one day before.
Yeah, I try to catch you up on Sunday as well.
Yeah, sure, fine, no problem. Sunday, Saturday, Sunday, I will be here. Just let me know.
All right, sure, beautiful. All right.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah, sure.
Thanks.
Bye. Take care. Yeah, bye.